सेम. ठीक है. वेदर चेंजेस, क्लाइमेट रिमेन्स द सेम. है ना? यस, अग्री. वेदर इज अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. यस, वेदर का मतलब हो गया बॉयफ्रेंड और क्लाइमेट का मतलब हो गया हस्बैंड. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ क्लाइमेट यू कैन सी कि द क्लाइमेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर will remain the same. ठीक है. almost will remain the same. That is in summer also, winter also. The temperature will not goes as much high as northern plain. Like the temperature will roughly be between the 10 to 15 degree max. All right. There you can also find variation. ठीक है. For example, in Himachal Pradesh. For example, in Himachal Pradesh, where you will get all three Himalayas. For example, Greater Himalaya, ठीक है, Middle Himalaya and Shivalik. In Himachal, ठीक है. तो in this region, you will experience temperature near about 10 degree maximum. ठीक है. इसका हो जाएगा आपका 15 डिग्री मैक्सिमम और इसका it might go to 20 डिग्री, 20 to 22 डिग्री मैक्सिमम. ठीक है. सो इन वन स्टेट इटसेल्फ देयर इज अ वेरिएशन इन टेम्परेचर बिकॉज ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूडनल वेरिएशन. ठीक है. वी हैव स्टडीड दैट द हिमालयाज रेंज आर 3 different form and all these 3 ranges of Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Shivalik, you will find in Himachal Pradesh. So because of the altitudinal variation, you will find different type of climate in the state itself. All right. So this is one of the reason. Now, yes, I was talking about the monsoon. The temperature variation, you got my point. It is because of altitude and latitude. Monsoon variation. Now, monsoon variation is because of first. It is because of temperature. ठीक है. It is because of latitude, latitudinal variation and orographic. For example, in Jammu and Kashmir, different type of precipitation, not monsoon, let's take it precipitation, consider it as precipitation. Right. Precipitation includes rainfall, precipitation includes sheets, precipitations include you can say snowfall. ठीक है. hails, all these things comes under precipitation. ठीक है. that is आपका हो गया रेनफॉल, स्नोफॉल, हेल. ठीक है. all these are form of precipitation. So in Jammu and Kashmir, you will get different type of precipitation. For example, snowfall. ठीक है. In northern plain, you will get monsoon, rainfall. Also, what do you mean by latitudinal variation and orographic? Latitudinal variation means कि in tropical region, especially in coastal region, you will get sufficient amount of rainfall, but in northern plain, as compared to coastal region, the rainfall will be less. All right. This is the one reason. Second reason is orographic. Now, what is orographic? You might have seen like this. This is your mountain. So, on one side of the mountain, you will find rainfall. ठीक है. And on the other side of the mountain is rain deficit area or rain deficit region. ठीक है, on one side of the mountain will be rain fed area, another side of the mountain will be rain deficit. This means what? This is why, because let's suppose this is cloud. ठीक है, so when cloud is going upward, ठीक, when cloud will be coming in the direct contact of the mountain, so here itself it will saturated, the cloud will get saturated and then there will be rainfall. ठीक है, so जब cloud यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है, at that point of time जब सारा का सारा precipitation happens in this area only, तो इस एरिया के लिए कुछ बचा ही नहीं. Getting my point? First you understand. So this is the orographic region कि in any mountainous region or hilly region, one part of the mountain receives rainfall, another part is rain deficit. ठीक है, the reason is कि when cloud goes on the topmost peak of the mountain, ठीक है, तो वहां पर टकराने के बाद because of the saturation point सारा rainfall हो जाता है, और when cloud will move forward, तो in the further part cloud के पास there is no precipitation left and that's why this rain is rain deficit area. ठीक है, if this is clear then let me explain you few points like saturation, evaporation, humidity,